tonight? You guys feeling good? Keep in the back, we can see you as well. Actually, we can see you quite well today. Hello. Well, welcome to the Where We Are tour, and tonight we are in Stockholm, the beautiful place that is. Now, there's been a lot of special gigs this tour. This one's in particularly special because this is where it started off for us. This is where our songs came from. You know, this is a big place for us, and we love it here in Stockholm because you guys have always been absolutely amazing over here. So are you excited? Do I? I don't know why. I must have picked up a... Sorry. Anyway, let's get on with it. Here's Mr. Styles. Stockholm, make some noise! Thank you.
We're One Direction. Nice to meet you. Wow. You can see you in the back. You see you in the back.